Down with Peter. Fishing with my brand new Temu ultralight. See if we can catch any fish. This is probably one of the most beautifulest places I've ever fished. There's smells. Oh, yes. I knew they were there. There's smaller. Smallest small they've ever caught. It's beautiful, odd place. I gotta come back here. It's looking nice here. What was that? Oh, is that a pike? First legit pike. Just barely had a post. Barely. Pretty small pike. Oh, got one. Yes. I know there's one in there. I know there's one in there. I know there's one in there. Oh, I knew there's one in there. I knew it. Oh my God. He's right under me. Come on, don't break on me, Rod. Ah. Okay, that was kind of fun. That was a sick catch. Okay, I gotta go to work. Got one sick catch right under there. That was insane. That's the catch I was chasing for with my ultralight. Legit almost bent my rod in half. Wish he pulled a little more drag, but chunky little fish. That's for sure.
Four.